5 Best Blenders Review. $5,200 blender. From Vitamix. This machine has an incredibly powerful motor as well as a variable speed rheostat, providing users much more control. Its very large capacity 8+ cup mixing vessel is made of a strong plastic, which makes this blender much lighter than expected. It has 120 volts and a 6 feet cord to make power. Plus, the blade assembly is sharp and sturdy. It's designed so incredibly well at blending everything flawlessly. Apart from capable of making cream sauces out of nuts, you can use the machine for making soup, thing that lots of other models out there cannot do well. Moreover, the machine is a little bit on the expensive side. But imagine if you're a fan of smoothies, it may be getting really much more. 4-in-1 Versatile Immersion Hand Blender. From OXA Smart. Versatile and sturdy, this powerful hand blender has an impactful set of attachments which take the strain out of everyday cooking tasks, turning your green ingredients into an energetic frozen dessert in no time at all. The machine comes with a stick blender, also called an immersion blender, a beaker, and a whisk attachment. Each of these attachments can be easily attached to the motor, which plugs into the wall and controls the speed and power. They are all dishwasher safe, easy to wash, and seem to be of high quality. There is a lit-up dial that has 6 different speed settings, allowing you to customize the power for what you are blending. These power controls are so well designed and easy to use compared to others. There's also a turbo button, giving it an extra burst of power as needed without having to turn the dial. BL456 Blenders. From Ninja. The Ninja BL456 Nutri-Edge is one of the most basic models in the Ninja personal blender collection. Being a versatile machine designed to handle a quick and simple range of tasks. This thing is a beast when it comes to smoothies. It works infinitely better than some large blenders and is super fast in pulverizing fruits and vegetables. Its 900 watts motor is still powerful enough to perform all the blending jobs excellently. It is not a heavy appliance and very easy to clean, too. Nevertheless, getting the gasket out of the blade assembly for cleansing is a little difficult. It can twist on the spout lids and take your drinks with you for easy on-the-go sipping. Manually pulls to easily crush ice, seeds, skins, stems and frozen ingredients for a smooth, even consistency. BL660 Professional Countertop Blender. From Ninja. The Ninja Professional Blender is a proficient, high-powered cooking appliance with 3 speeds, pulse, and single-serve functions. Apart from literally turning ice into snow in a matter of seconds, it works like a beast, crushing anything you throw at it with ease. Talking about conveniences, its 72 ounces pitcher is large enough to make drinks and smoothies for the entire family, while the 16 ounces cups with to-go lids make it easy to take tasty, hearty smoothies on the go. This blender is powerful and assembled with single-serve blade. And since they are terribly sharp, instead of hand washing them or risking the damage in the dishwasher, it'd be better if we put hot, soapy water for cleansing. Includes one 1100 watt base, 72 ounces total crushing pitcher, and 2 16 ounces Nutri Ninja cups with to-go lids. NBR 1201 High-Speed Blender Mixer System. From Nutribullet. The Nutribullet Nbr 1201 12-piece high-speed blender lives up to its name with its powerful 600-watt motor and 3 patented, stainless steel blades that deliver perfect blending results every time. This blender itself does a great job of pureeing tough, hard foods, such as carrots, spinach, and others, even when they're frozen. It can also be used to puree the tough ends of asparagus for delicious soups. To use the machine, simply place your prepared fruit or veggies into the container, add the appropriate level of ice or water, and then cover it by a lid that comes with the sharp blades inside. Of course, there are a few complaints. It's quite loud. Sometimes it does require a few shakes or removing the cup to blend the entire contents more evenly. It does not pulverize seeds really well, in spite of claiming so in advertisements.